In the name of God, in the name of who without doubt is capable and voice, welcome the 13th episode of Learning AutoCAD. If you are remembering in the previous session, actually we talk about the axis, our grades, and we done by horizontal and vertical the grades. Now in this episode, I want to talk about the furnitures. If you see, I installed some furniture. In where I found this furniture and how I found this function and how I installed these furniture. It's very easy. If you come in here, for example, if you come in here, if you see, we have different type of the tables. If you see different type of the carpets, if you see different type of carpets, and you can download this from the Google just by typing of the component of the AutoCAD, and then download is at 2 GB or 1 GB, and just you must open the file of AutoCAD like this, and just if you need this, just click on this and Ctrl+C, and then come in your original file, and this in every place that you want. For example, I want to copy it in this, just click in here, and if you see this size is small by CS scale, you can big it, for example like this, and also you can rotate it or rotate like this, and then by move you can place it in everywhere that you want. And also you can change this color also by match property, this, and select destination, this object. So it's not like an object, and we change to the block, and then we can choose it. Or in here also you can come and you can change it. Okay, so don't worry about it. So like this, for example, in here you have if you come, we have different equipment of gym. For example, you want to have this, for example this you want to install, so just Ctrl+C, come in your original, and then for example I want to install it in here, Ctrl+V, and just install it. Very simple. And now I think that you know that how you can find in where you can find furniture. For example, see here you have different type of the kitchen equipment. If you see, just Ctrl+C and just Ctrl+C, for example this, Ctrl+C, and then come in your original file, and then here you can in every place that you want, just by Ctrl+V you can copy it. And then if you come in here, we have different type of tree holes in here. Okay, then we have different type of the sections. If you see levels, details, then plan, different type. Then we have these components also, everything that you need, you get chairs, everything that you need, you can download it. Then we have section and elevation, we use in a plan, this we use this type of the window, you know these things, elevation this and section this, when the thickness cap in our section. Then we have different type of the cars, doors, and then if you see climate, it means where is your south, where is your east, you can also click it or choose it by this. Then and these things. So I'm coming in my project. So now it's all about the furniture, that how we can install the furniture. Another thing that I want to talk in the next episode, I want to talk about the how we can determine the dimension. Don't forget to subscribe to Civil Home. Have a nice time. Goodbye.